Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x803f8001 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is WS reset. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and reopen it. The next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Now we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, okay, and then search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste this command and hit enter. This will re-register the Microsoft Store and will definitely fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.